Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish all of you are fine. This is your 11th video class for class 10. Before starting my class, you just take your book in front of you. And I was in chapter number 11 and open page number 280. Page number 280. So at first, go to my laptop screen. In my last class, I told about this portion, alkene reaction. Then from today, I will explain this topic, the uses of alcohol, aldehyde and organic acids. At first, alcohol. Methanol is a toxic chemical substance. Methanol is mainly used in the preparation of other chemical substance. In chemical industries, ethanoic acid and ester of different organic acids are produced. At first, you have to understand some formula of different acid and alcohol. So I am writing some formula in the board. Methanol. This is methanol. CH3OH. Number 1 carbon. This is methanol. Ethanol. CH3CH2OH. This is called ethanol. Ethanol. So my topic is alcohol. Alcohol. It is talked about that we can produce different types of aldehyde, different types of organic acids from this alcohol. From this alcohol, we can produce different types of acid also. Okay. In chemical industries, ethanoic acid and esters of different organic acids are produced. Ethanol is mainly used in solvent in perfume, cosmetics and pharmaceutical industries. Pharmaceuticals graded ethanol is used in pharmaceutical industries, and rectified spirit is used in homeopathic medicine. So we have to know what is rectified spirit. Actually, 96% test. So we should first know its concentration. That is 96% liquid solution of ethanol. 96% liquid solution of this ethanol. Ethanol is called rectified spirit. Rectified spirit. This is obviously not drinkable. Obviously, we shouldn't drink it. This is used in different purposes as a solvent, as a chemical substance. We may use it. So we have to memorize its definition. What is rectified spirit? Is 96% aqueous solution of this ethanol. Okay. Then ethanol is widely used in perfume industry. Ethanol is made free from odor before using perfume. You know this. Ethanol is very it has a pungent smell. So if you remove this smell, then we may use in perfume. Except pharmaceuticals and food industries, rectified spirit before using in other industries is mixed with little amount methanol to make it toxic. CH3CH2OH. This is called ethanol. This is drinkable alcohol. So sometimes this ethanol is mixed with this methanol. This is toxic substance. This is toxic, but this is drinkable. So when this drinkable substance is added with this toxic substance, then this mixture is also toxic. So we never try to drink this type of substance, this type of composition. So sometimes methanol is added with ethanol to make it toxic substance. Okay. Then and this toxic substance is called methylated spirit. So this combination is called methylated spirit. Okay. It is used in burnished wood and metallic furniture. Now in Brazil, ethanol is used in motor engine as fuel instead of fossil fuel. So this is a very important role of ethanol if we use as a fuel. Alcohol can be prepared from starches like rice, wheat, potato and corn by fermentation process. Besides, ethanol can be obtained in the same way from the molasses by product of sugar. So we can produce alcohol from sugar. This alcohol can be produced can be used in different purposes. Keru and Kong at Dorshana in Bangladesh produces ethanol and meets in demand of country. So this institution, Keru and Kong, supplies alcohol, that means drinkable alcohol, that means ethanol in our country. This alcohol is used in different purposes, just like to produce medicine. If we use ethanol as fuel, the demand on fossil fuel will be decreased, and on the other hand, environment can be kept pollution free. Then aldehyde. Aldehyde, at first we have to know its functional group. Aldehyde, the functional group of aldehyde is CHO. CHO. Okay. Different kinds of plastic materials are made from aldehyde by polymerization reaction. We should know what is polymerization reaction. Darling polymer is produced when liquid solution of methanol is heated at a very low pressure. Darling is used to make chair, dining table, bucket, etc. So I am going to my board. What is aldehyde? You know its general formula. It's a functional group, aldehyde, and functional group of aldehyde is CHO. CHO is the functional group of aldehyde. Okay. We can produce aldehyde from alcohol also. Okay, and suppose if I take this methanol, this is methanol, I told you a few minutes ago, methanol. From methanol we can produce darling. In that corner of board you can see its formula, darling. Then this darling is produced from methanol by polymerization reaction. You can say this is a polymer because two hand is free there. I will explain this polymerization reaction in details in my next class. Okay. So you should memorize the formula of this darling. Condensation polymerization reaction of formaldehyde and urea produces urea formaldehyde resin, which is used to prepare household appliances like plates, drinking water, pot, mop, etc. So in polymerization reaction, formaldehyde is used. So you should know the formula of formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Another name of this formaldehyde is methanaldehyde. Methanaldehyde or methanal. That is HCHO. Only one atom of hydrogen is added with this functional group. This is called formaldehyde or methanal. Okay. You know 37% aqueous solution of this formaldehyde is called formalin. 37% aqueous solution of this formaldehyde is called formalin. And then methanol. After that, methanol. Another aldehyde is ethanol. Ethanol, its formula is CH3CHO. So one alkyl is added with this functional group. One alkyl, and this alkyl is only methyl. This ethanol, another name of this ethanol is acetaldehyde. So you should memorize its name. Ethanol and acetaldehyde is same thing. Its formula is CH3CHO, and formaldehyde and methanol has same formula. This is HCHO. So you should memorize this, and you should memorize the formula of darling also. Okay. Now I am going to explain organic acid. Organic acids are weaker than inorganic acids. You know, inorganic acid means carbon without acid which is made without carbon. That is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Those are inorganic acid. And this formic acid, ethanoic acid is called organic acid. That means carbon-based acid. Organic acids are edible constituents. We take organic acids as food with lemon juice, like citric acid. So we get this citric acid from lemon juice. So before starting this portion, I would like to write the functional group of acid in my board. So organic acid, its functional group is HCOOH. One hand is free for this carbon. If I write HCOOH, this is called methanoic acid or formic acid. Methanoic or formic acid. If I write CH3COOH, this is called ethanoic acid, or acetic acid. So we should memorize the formula. When only hydrogen atom is added with functional group, this is methanoic. When methyl is added, is called ethanoic acid. Okay. In my laptop screen, it is written that we can get citric acid from lemon juice. So and another tartaric acid in tamarind, and we can get lactic acid from curd also. Okay. So that corner of board, it is given that the formula of lactic acid. Then that corner of board, it is given formula of citric acid is given also. So you should memorize the formula, but this is not given in our book. Then the formula of tartaric acid is also given in my board. So observe this formula, write it in your copy. Then you should memorize this formula. Okay, I'm going to my laptop screen again. Having capability of destroying bacteria, organic acids are used as food preservative. 6 to 10% liquid solution of ethanoic acid is known as vinegar. Vinegar is used to preserve sauce and pickles. So I explained this vinegar in my lecture number 8. So you can get the information from that lecture also. So this is my today's lecture. So you should learn these things properly, and I have given some formula in my board. So you should memorize this formula. So thank you very much. Inshallah, see you in my next class. Assalamu alaikum.